Welcome to Analytica Video Shorts, short videos showcasing individual topics in Analytica 5. Your host today, Lonnie Chrisman.
This is the third and final Analytica video short in my series of Pi Day videos. In the first Pi Day video, I showed how to draw the wedges of a pie chart. In the second, I added the text, and now I'm going to make it respond to mouse clicks. Starting from where we left off in the previous installment, I'm going to start by copying the drawing to a picture node on the diagram. From the result window, copy, then on the diagram window, paste. This new node is an object with class picture. The picture itself is just a static image right now, not linked to the result of our pi variable. I'm going to give it a friendly identifier, pi picture. When the selected source changes, I want the image in pi picture to update. So I'm going to do that from the onChange attribute of selected source. OnChange will simply set the picked attribute of our picture object to the image that is computed as the result of the pi variable. Now when I change the selected source, the picture updates with the selected source pulled out from the pi. Now it would be even more visual and intuitive to just click on the pi itself. Right now, of course, it's just a picture that doesn't respond to mouse clicks. To do this, I'm going to fill in the Onclick attribute for the picture object. Picture objects have an Onclick attribute, just like button objects, and in addition, they provide local variables with the mouse click pixel coordinate. The challenge here is to figure out which wedge was clicked on. To help with that, I'll introduce a user-defined function named pointToWedge to map from the mouse XY to the energy source. Maps from a pixel in image coordinates to the angle in the pi. The first step is to compute the angle from the center of the pi to the mouse click. The arctan2 function can be used for this. To get to the click point from the center of the circle, you go up y minus the center coordinate, top margin plus radius, and then over x minus the horizontal coordinate, left margin plus radius. Now that we know the angle of the click, how do you map this angle to the energy source? One way to do this is to use the start angle table. If the angle is between 60 and 174, it's natural gas. From 174 to 282, it's coal, and so on. But this lookup is complicated by the fact that angles wrap around every 360 degrees to equivalent angles. The trick here is to subtract the first start angle, 60, from everything here, which makes the lookup easy, as long as the angle you're looking up, minus 60, is between 0 and 360 degrees. So using stepInterp, I'm going to do a lookup on start angle minus the first start angle. Energy source is the corresponding return value for each segment. And the value I'm going to look up is our angle minus the first start angle, but normalized to be between 0 and 360, which is what the mod function does. Positive, true, ensures that it's between 0 and 360. The fourth parameter is the index that's shared by the first two parameters, and we want this to be a left lookup. To test this, I'll try the point 100,30, which maps to coal. Now we've conquered the hard part, so I'm ready to set the Onclick attribute. Onclick will set the selected source variable to the result of pointToWedge. The local variables clickX and clickY are provided automatically and are the coordinates of the mouse click in image coordinates. Now, from browse mode, when you click on a wedge, it changes the selected source to that wedge, and the onChange for selected source updates the image. When you're working in edit mode, you'll need to hold down the Alt key when you click, since otherwise, in edit mode, clicking on the picture node just selects it. I hope you find what I've shown you in this three-part series to be more general than just pie charts. Be sure to catch the other episodes in this Pi Day series. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and have a happy Pi Day.